Hey everyone! If you're just starting out in the world of web design, getting your layouts right can feel a bit like trying to solve a puzzle. But don't worry, I've got some easy tips that will turn you into a layout pro in no time. First things first, let's talk about the F layout. Why F? Well, research shows that when people browse the web, their reading pattern resembles the letter F. They start at the top left of the screen, move horizontally, drop down a bit, and then continue horizontally. So, when you're designing, keep your key information along these lines. Place your logo at the top left, your main navigation across the top, and your most important content starting from the left, working its way across. This method keeps your layout intuitive and user-friendly. Next up is the importance of white space. Sometimes, less really is more. White space or negative space isn't just empty space. It's a powerful design element. It helps to break up the page and increase readability. Think of it as giving your content room to breathe. By spacing out elements, you can guide your viewers' eyes through your site in a more controlled manner, making sure they focus on what matters most. Now let's not forget about alignment. Everything on your page should align with something else. This doesn't mean everything must be center-aligned, rather, it should be visually connected to another element. This creates a clean, organized look that's pleasing to the eye. Whether it's text aligning with an image or a button aligning with the edge of a form, consistency is key. And finally, consistency in your design doesn't just apply to alignment. Your fonts, colors, button styles, they should all be consistent. This doesn't mean it has to be boring, but a cohesive design helps build trust and improves user experience. If every page looks like part of the same family, users will feel more at ease navigating your site. Remember, these tips are just the beginning. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Start with these fundamentals, and soon, you'll be creating websites that not only look great, but also provide a fantastic user experience. That's it for today's tips. Dive in, experiment, and watch your web design skills grow. Happy designing!